Hello, welcome to QLab. Today we're going to be making an indicator using red cabbage. If you'd like to follow along, all the equipment will be listed in the description box. So, let's get started. This is a red cabbage, and today we're going to learn how to extract a pH indicator, or an indicator for acids and alkalis, from a red cabbage. First thing, chop up the cabbage and put it in a nice clear mug. Well, you can put it in any mug, but a clear mug makes it more easy to see what we're going to do. Then, we're going to add some hot water, preferably freshly boiled. Then, we're going to stir it for a while. Now, according to my wife, I'm talking too loudly, and so I will continue in a more quiet tone. Now, we need to filter to remove the bits of cabbage. So we get another transparent container and a sieve. And this is where I attempt to avoid things becoming very messy indeed. And we pour the mixture in to the sieve, like so. There we go. That wasn't too bad. Got a few little splashes, but nothing too major. So now we've collected a lovely deep purple solution of our indicator, and we can use it to test a number of household solutions. And so I'll set that up now. So now we've got a lovely deep purple indicator from the red cabbage, and we're going to add it to a whole load of solutions. Got some lemon juice, vinegar, carbonated water, just plain old water, and sodium bicarbonate solution. So let's add it first to the sodium bicarbonate solution. Ooh, it's got a nice shade of blue. Then to the water. It's a nice shade of purple. Now to the carbonated water. Ooh, it's like a pinky colour. That's really pretty. Then to the vinegar. Look, that's a lovely shade of red. Now finally to the lemon juice. Look at that. Oh, that's very pretty indeed. Now what we can see is that this indicator, which is anthocyanins from the red cabbage, changes colour with different pHs. And so we can see that we go from this lovely blue with the alkali sodium bicarbonate on the right, all the way through this pinky purple to red with the acidic lemon juice. So this indicator shows red as an acid and blue as an alkali or base. It's really useful because it's just so easy to make. But what happens if we decide to mix our acidic vinegar with the basic or alkali sodium bicarbonate? Can you see that? Fizzes. In fact, if we bring the water one back, we can see that it's the same colour. So, adding acid to an alkali, such as sodium bicarbonate, results in neutralization. We get these bubbles given off. In this case, that's carbon dioxide from the sodium bicarbonate. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can use that indicator for so many solutions and seeing whether they're acidic or basic. So, if you'd like to have a look at some of our other projects, you can see our videos, and thank you so much for watching.